What is wrong with my cucumbers? They were growing great at first, and I got 1 or 2 small cucumbers produced. Now this, and this is run from Memphis. As you can see there, it looked like it just died out. It wilted. Yeah. I actually think that's bacterial wilt.
Probably. And I don't think it's coming back.
I don't think it's coming back, not from that.
Hopefully he's got more cucumbers and he needs to get rid of that one, take it out and, destroy it.
Yeah, that's going to have to come out. And of course, the vector for bacterial wilt is going to be the spotted cucumber beetle.
Yep.
So that means you got to control.
Got to control the beetle.
The beetle.
Try to attempt to anyway.
Yeah, because that's going to be hard. I mean, how do you be able to do that really?
They're strong pliers, and it's really, really hard when you talk about these wilt diseases. That it's almost impossible to control the insects. So we're not able to use insecticide that have a very long residual, and but plant a bunch of cucumbers, and then when you see them, you can spray the cucumber beetles and remove the plants that are affected.
Yeah, because they're going to go from plant to plant.
Yeah, you need to plant those cucumbers all up and down that fence.
Oh yeah. Let them climb on up there. But you're right. Using the insecticide is going to be tough.
It is.
Residual, like the neem oil, and such. It's going to be tough.
It's a tough one. I hate wilt diseases. They're not very forgiving.
Yeah, and like you mentioned, you have to take out the whole plant.
And get them out. And don't put them in your compost bin.
No.
You put them in bag them up and put them in the trash and send them to the landfill.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.